Current firewall architectures are complicated, they do not scale, and they get in the way of your business agility. It's about time to consider a new approach to core network security infrastructure. Virtual network firewalls allow you to enjoy the same features as physical firewalls with agility, flexibility, and scalability. But do-it-yourself firewall virtualization is hard. My name is Carolyn Rabb, the Chief Product Officer at Corsa Security, and today I'd like to show you how to deploy and manage your network firewalls for speed, scale, and savings. Combining virtualization and automation is a powerful solution for simplifying workflows and gaining efficiency in your network security. But today, these tools are focused at the top of the protection pyramid and rarely applied to the infrastructure level, especially for network firewalls. We need to apply automation and virtualization across the entire network security protection pyramid so your business can operate at cloud speed and scalability. While there are plenty of partial pieces and separate tools available to enable virtualization of network firewalls, they all require a lot of scripting and huge DevOps effort because they're not designed for network firewalls in a multi-tenant network. It's a far cry from the automated workflows that make all the difference. That's why you need a turnkey solution designed to automate network firewall virtualization so you can spin up security services within hours. By fully integrating with firewall licensing and policy management from your preferred firewall vendor, you get push-button virtual firewalls and zero-touch network security operations. With a simple, intuitive UI, you can add or modify a virtual firewall with a single click and get instant insights, including platform status, VM utilization, system alerts, and more, all through a single pane of glass. This platform eliminates the need for DevOps skills, offers a low cost of entry, and a pay-as-you-grow model, so you can reduce your network operations expenses with 5 times lower TCO and 24 times faster deployment. But you gain so much more, including ease of use, cloud-like flexibility, and infinite scalability. Today, firewall virtualization no longer needs to be a complex, costly, time-consuming process. If your private network is full of aging firewalls that are due to be replaced, if you need more flexibility and scale with your network firewalls, if you're making a strategic shift to modernize your network with virtualization, then it's time to automate and virtualize your network firewalls for business agility. See how you can easily convert your physical firewalls to virtual ones with Corsa Security. Find out more at corsa.com/virtualize.